Hello, future guitarist. My name is Shantanu Arora. I've tried my best to deliver a course that's not only going to help you to learn the guitar properly, but also enjoy the learning process. It's been a really nice and interesting journey following my passion. I completed my grade 8 in classical guitar from Trinity College, London, after which I toured with a very famous band of India known as Silk Route with the Bollywood singer Mohit Chauhan. In this course of 10 sessions, we will be learning to play notes on the guitar, finger strengthening exercises, different chords, scales, structures, and over 12 to 15 songs in all. Throughout my journey, one thing that I realized for learning guitar is the importance of getting the right guidance and right education. It's the proper, structured learning process that is necessary to make you a proper guitarist. So while designing this guitar course, I've made sure that I guide you in the best possible manner, starting right from the basics like how to hold the guitar, playing your first few notes, understanding techniques, and also to play the famous songs. So let's start learning and be a musician.